Hello, meet me again in JW Marriott in Hanoi City of Vietnam. This is the view from room number 613 on the 6th floor. This is all the control. They're using card here. Air condition. This is the wardrobe. Safe box. Okay. That's my bag. Slipper. Ironing board. And the iron. Big painting. And the right side. What's unique is that the bathroom is open. You can open the bathroom door so that it goes directly to your bed. This is the bathtub. The wardrobe you can open from the other side. See this one. This is the shower box. And then the toilet. Okay, forget one thing. This is the soap and the shampoo. And ta-da! Toto. Universal electric outlet. This is the bathtub. Wet scale. Okay, now let's see the door. You can slide the door like this. So you go through. And this is your bed. A lot of pillow. Okay. A TV with the speaker from Bose. Mini bar. Okay. The kettle. This is the coffee machine Nespresso. Good. This is working desk. Okay. International outlet socket. Phone. This one is a garden view, I guess. There is no exit here. This This is the chair. Okay, you can sit comfortably here. Okay. Okay, the phone and then all the electric socket and the lights control. This is the aircon position, and as usual from this side is usually a bit windy because of the aircon is blowing straight directly to here. Okay, we are going out to the door, and this is the room 613, JW Marriott in Hanoi City. Okay, that's all the room review. If you like it, please support me, click like and subscribe my channel so that I can continue to make video like this for you. Thank you.